Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel, and first of all, happy Thanksgiving to everyone, and I hope that you've enjoyed your Thanksgiving, whatever you have been doing, eating, sharing moments with your families. So here I'm here the day after Thanksgiving. I'm just taking a little break from all the cleanup and everything, and I'm making a little video for you. And this is actually a Dollar Tree / Dollar Power haul. And when I say Dollar Power, meaning some of these items I got them at a dollar store where they had items which were more than $1. Like this here is a picture hanging kit. It has all these little gold little items, and it says it right there, picture hanging kit. But when I bought it, I just saw little hooks and things like that to use in my doll houses. And then here I have 6 little jewelry box, but they use them for parties. They're like party favors. You can put candy in there and stuff like that. So I bought this. I think it was a little overpriced, to tell you the truth. It was $7.99 for 6 of them. But I haven't seen these in the dollar store. This was also $1.49, which was over the dollar. Everything else that you see here was at the Dollar Tree. Now look at this fake security camera. Very interesting. I don't know where I'll put it, but I haven't even looked at it really inside. I just bought it. Then I have some more of that vinyl paper that I have a few colors of for my dollhouse creations. I have some lights here, more lights. I have a ton of those, but I need them. And then these are more fresheners that I bought. And the light that you use like on your head so that you can be hands-free when you're doing something. That's $1. Then I bought here some Crafter Square glue eraser. It's an eraser, like it erases the glue and everything, the residue. So I'm gonna try that. Then I also bought some LED lights, Christmas lights right there, and some weather strip seal. But that I'm using in my doll houses. I'm not sure how yet, but I like to have these items handy for when I get ideas. And then these are cute. These are, I'm looking for candy in here. You know what's funny? I bought these before Thanksgiving and I forgot to use them. But I could always use them for Christmas. Then I have a magnifying glass here. Nice size. I have some air fresheners there. And last but not least are these other items here, which are labels, things like that. Other wall tap black Muriel. But when I bought this, I saw like a sink for a bathroom. You could put a mirror on top, and doesn't it look like a sink? Even like a tub. And even this way also, it looks like a sink. Anyway, I think this is it. I hope you liked this haul, and if there's anything here that you really like, you know where to get it. And I think I forgot to mention those. Look at how cute these are. These are 2 glass ornaments, gifts. They are so cute. But I'm not going to hang them on my tree. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in my next Christmas creation. Thanks for watching, and happy Thanksgiving.